Want to create stunning AI art? Let's sign up for Midjourney in just few steps. First, open your browser and type in Midjourney. Here, tap on official Midjourney AI site and you will see an option to sign up. Tap on it. You can see options to continue with Discord or continue with Google. You can choose anything according to your preferences. I have selected continue with Google. This will take you to confirmation page. Now choose your Google account, tap continue, and you have signed up Midjourney using Google. If you are facing troubles while creating your Midjourney account, let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You are now signed up and ready to generate art with Midjourney. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.